did I do to deserve this?
Well, since you asked, should we start with season 1? Kissed a woman out of wedlock, violating both the religious and personal boundaries of all the other partners involved, then proceeded to laugh about it in front of the other wives who were actively crying, but then took it seriously when the new girlfriend started crying and derailed the entire conversation to her feelings. Made out again with your new girlfriend while your wife was in labor, another violation to the boundaries. We're just not good with the boundaries. I'm sure that couldn't have anything to do with it. Tried to move girlfriend in with the wives into the one big house. However, the wives weren't comfortable with that, so girlfriend and Kody go along like they knew that was a bad idea the whole time. Tried to give girlfriend equal time, including sleepovers, when again, those boundaries, they're pesky, the pesky boundaries, right? Then, presumably, we don't know this, but we all kind of guess it's true, had with Robyn while staying with her alone in the other city, or maybe it was when the kids were in the other living room. Who knows? Constantly pressuring Meri to get pregnant, even though clearly she wasn't really into it. General neglect of the kids and wives, an 11-day honeymoon that you couldn't really afford, plus the wives were telling you, please don't take an 11-day honeymoon, we miss you, it's hard with you not being here. Picking Robyn's wedding dress and then letting the other wives feel like they had had a hand in it, and then guilting the other wives for being upset that they were lied to.
That is just nasty.
The continuous and egregious misuse of the word dancing, which is an ever-evolving issue that is still happening, and we will be staying on top of that here at History in 60. Driving a convertible that is fairly new and very nice when all of the other spouses are driving vehicles that you can literally hear coming and have tapes holding the window up, existing, but that's personal. Okay, I get that. Not wanting pepper in your eggs and refusing to eat your wife's cooking. If they put pepper in it, seasoning never hurt anybody. You're gonna be fine. This.
Oh, there we go. I just went,
by the way, everything they said was true.
I don't think I need to explain that clip any further. That is not a story we will continue to cover at History in 60, simply because I have enough nightmares. I'm good. Continuing on. Taking a wife to a 20th anniversary dinner and telling her that if she lived the same lifestyle that he did, he would have a literal visceral reaction and would be absolutely disgusted and found it improper to even bring up, even though he acknowledged that is hypocritical and just does not care, and that's how he's going to live his life. Has a similar feeling about when he hurts other people's feelings, too.
We all know that this isn't all rainbows and flowers when they're going through this process of seeing me fall in love with somebody else.
Where I don't want to hurt anybody, and I don't want to make anybody uncomfortable, it's a little bit difficult for me.
You've got Robyn going, I'm not going to hurt them, and I'm like, I'm sorry. There's no way around that.
Does he really have these questions? Generally, when somebody expresses to you that they're having a hard time and you look them in the eye and go, tough cookies, that does tend to create some issues, absolutely, when it is not something that you have to do, no matter how much you both have convinced yourself that you do. Not to mention, this is really hard for me. Okay. That was just season 1, which is 11 episodes. Let me know if we'd like to do season 2. I'm going to do season 2. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope this answered some questions that nobody had.